this is Peachy, and welcome back to Daiso Girl! I have a quick question for you, Peach fam. What's the first thing you ever learned how to make as a kid? Because for me, it was fried eggs. I found some super cute molds from my favorite store, Daiso, that I'll be trying with you for the first time today. So let's get started! First, you'll need some eggs. I'll be using cooking chopsticks today, but a spatula can also work. And of course, you'll need a frying pan. And these are the silicone molds I'll be using today. Let's heat up and oil our pan. We'll set the mold right on top and crack our egg inside. To make sure there's not a lot of bubbles on our eggs, cook on low heat. I also found this super cute egg stamp for bread at Daiso. And I'll be using seaweed punchers to decorate my egg today. Time to enjoy with some tea and fruit for dessert. You can also use your molds as a stencil. Add some chocolate and whipped cream and enjoy!
Oh, what's up? This looks good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yummy?
It's really good.
Yummy?
You want bite?
Yeah. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe and have a peachy day because Daiso Girls out.
I'm Daiso dude. Yum.